morning, folks. This is the video summary for the week of March 23rd. All right, guys, keep in mind, listen, this is a 1-credit class, and I know it's strange to move this stuff online, but I don't see any reason why we can't just continue to do what we're supposed to do. Just like I said at the beginning of the semester, stick around for this class. Please finish this class. As of today, I'm recording this a few days before, but we're going to pretend that this is March 23rd. Your field notes are due today, and I really hope that you have completed your field work by now, because it's a hard ask for me to ask you guys to be out there, getting out into the field doing work, considering that we're not supposed to be in public at all right now. I really hope you've done your field work by now. If you haven't, try to move your interviews to phone interviews. Please look at the lecture on unobtrusive methods, in particular content analysis, if you're looking to do some observations online. Otherwise, from this point forward, everything's going to be on Blackboard. I'm going to create assignments tabs where you could submit your field notes on March 23rd, where you will be able to submit your methodology on April 20th, where you'll be able to submit your literature review on May 4th, and your actual final proposal on May 18th. I'll be setting up individual portals for each of those. I'll be setting up directions for each of those on those portals. So you click on those portals, you're going to see the individual directions there. I do want you to continue to follow the schedule for the lectures. Please go on course documents and review the lecture for participant observation. To be quite honest, as a method, participant observation is probably the last method that you want to do when there's a coronavirus, because participant observation involves getting yourself into large crowds or small crowds and hanging around and touching things and smelling things, etc. It's kind of a bad idea at this point. But hopefully you guys have done this already if you've done so. Going to John Jay, I need you guys to have these lectures, these methods, know these methods under your belt. I was lucky to have gotten survey and interview and questionnaires out of the way as an in-class lecture. I still want you guys to learn about participant observation, unobtrusive methods, and field experiments. I'll be putting up some videos in order to explain those things a little bit better. But each week, there will be a lecture. I want you to open the lecture under course documents. I want you to review it. And watch the video that I have as a supplement to that. Please do so. And I still expect you guys to hand me each of these sections on those due dates. So remember, for you guys, that's March 23rd, that's April 20th, that's May 4th, and then, of course, the entire thing is going to be back to you on May 18th. When you guys hand me those sections, about a week or so later, I'm going to email you feedback, how to change those sections. And if you hand them to me on time, you get an A. Okay? The grade book is already up. If you hand these things to me on time, you automatically get that 10% of the grade for each of these things. March 23rd, field notes. You get it to me by the end of the day today on March 23rd, you get an A. Look at that. And you earn that 10% of the grade. Please do not fall short on that. Let's keep this simple. Let's just write these sections. Let's write that final proposal due on May 18th. And let's make this as simple as possible. I'm going to be putting up videos every week, okay? Please follow through on the assignments. Please follow through on the due dates. Again, you're not obligated to come online on Mondays at 1 p.m. Okay, we're not meeting on Zoom. We're not meeting as a class. You get to review this material on your own time. You review this stuff when it's convenient to you, okay? But you have to hand things to me when they're due. All right, so that's about it. If you have any questions, please email me. Otherwise, stay safe. Take care, guys.